Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to copy and paste your filter in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. This particular video clip right here, this is the filter I use for this particular clip. Let's say, for instance, I want to copy this exact filter and paste it into another clip. How do we do that? Go ahead and drag the video in the next timeline. Click on accept the timeline change. So right here, take a look at this particular video filter right here. It has a very poor color grading right here, and I don't want to mess up with the color I'm working with. That color I'm working with, I want to copy the same filter color and paste it into a current clip. How do we do that? Go ahead and select the clip. So this particular clip here is what I want to copy the filter from. Right click on the clip, then go ahead and select effect and filter, then go ahead and make sure you click on copy. So once you copied it, go ahead and select the new clip, right click on where you want to paste the filter, go to effect and filter, go ahead and hit on paste, and exact copy and paste the filter from the original clip to the new clip that you imported into your Filmora video editing software in the timeline. It's that simple. So if you take a look at the first one right here and the second one right here, they align with the same filter. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.